So this weekend I hit 50,000 subscribers. On the one hand, that's a stadium filled with people. On the other hand, 7 Supergirls have 3 million subscribers. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you to all of you, and I wanted to do a quick update on the channel and answer a few questions. I wanted to give a shout out to Darko for supplying me new banner art. If you have any art that you want featured in a video, just include a link in the comments and I'll pop it in and give you a shout out as well. Pictures of Bran and Sweet Robin would be much appreciated. Many people ask me what topics are coming up next. Obviously, I'm going to be working on the minds of wolves and robins for a while, but after that I have 5 topics that I'm considering. I'm considering Aegon, Faceless Men, the Sellswords of Slaver's Bay, Night's Watch factions, and a return to Dorne. Let me know your preference or if you have any other ideas. Many people have been asking, is What You Are Missing coming back? Absolutely. Now that Season 5 is over, we'll be going back to What You Are Missing. 1.6 should be out after Minds of Wolves and Robins Part 2. A lot of people have been asking lately, are other George R.R. Martin stories worth reading? I would recommend that everyone read the Dunk and Egg stories and A Song for Leah. And I think a lot of you out there would really enjoy Tough Voyaging, as the main character is essentially Tyrion in the body of Varys. If you'd like some stories that I think will give you a better idea about the Children of the Forest, try And 7 Times Never Kill Man and the Men of Greywater Station. I've left a link to the Men of Greywater Station below. If you'd like a couple stories that might tell you more about the others, try Night Flyers and Meathouse Men. And if you'd like some stories that will tell you what George R.R. Martin thinks about religion and prophecy, try The Way of Cross and Dragon, and you can trudge through the Armageddon Rag. I've left a link to The Way of Cross and Dragon below. Many people ask me, do you believe your theories? The answer is yes, but I vary in the amount of confidence I have for each one. But I'm not being contrarian for the sake of being contrarian, unless it's happening on some subconscious level. And many people ask me, what's the craziest tinfoil thing you believe? Well, many people have pointed out something about the Dornish master plan. If Doran and Oberyn planned to kill Tywin, why did Doran say that he wanted Tywin to watch his world get destroyed? Well, I kind of believe that Doran is having Tywin watch his world get destroyed. I believe that somehow Qyburn took Tywin's soul and put him into Sir Robert Strong. Tywin is currently trapped in the living hell that is Sir Robert Strong and will be forced to see his world destroyed. I have no proof of this, but it's this horrific thought that popped into my head and I can't shake it. And finally, will you be doing some Q&As? Yeah, I think so. When I first started the channel, I used to respond to everyone's comments. But now there's a lot more of you, so I think I'm going to do some Q&As to try to answer some of the questions you guys have. So I just wanted to say thanks again. Starting this channel has been a really interesting experience.